hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti and for today's video I'm going to be doing a simple get ready for this wedding season. Like a बहुत ज़्यादा weddings आ रही हैं nearby, like November, December and Jan is the season of weddings. So yes, this is the look that I'll be creating in the further video that you'll be seeing. This look feels so effortless and yes, it's really simple to create. And this would like help you in some way or the other in this season. So this look according to me is very versatile and ये almost सभी outfits पे चला जाएगा because it has hints of brown, maroon. So कोई भी outfit हो, this would be a really versatile look. And before beginning with this video, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So yes, without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. So I've done with my skin prep and moving forward with the first product, and that's an illuminating primer from Swiss Beauty. It's a really good primer, I would say. So I'll just take some and put it on the high points of my face, some on the bridge of my nose, on the chin, and also on my forehead. Then I'll move forward with the second primer, and it's from Faces Canada, their Ultime Pro Primer. So this one is basically for blurring out my pores, and I'll literally press them into my pores so that they are filled, and I'll whatsoever not drag the product क्योंकि फिर उसका कोई फायदा नहीं है. So yes, I'll just do that. I'll just dab it into my skin. And I'll absolutely not forget to put a lip balm before beginning with the makeup. So I'll move on with the foundation, and it's the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. This I recently got in the Nykaa sale at a really affordable rate, and I really like this product because it's almost like full coverage. So I'll take a little bit and I'll take this buffing brush and just I'll just drag the remaining product on my forehead. So as this makeup look is for wedding season, so I'll not put much product क्योंकि people like dance and roam around, तो ज़्यादा product would not be good. I'll keep it just natural. I'll just take a beauty blender and blend the product, ensuring that there is no harsh like brush strokes whatsoever. Moving forward with the Instant Age Rewind Concealer from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 130 medium. So I'll just take the concealer, putting some on my nose, around my mouth, some on the forehead and on the chin. So after blending the concealer, I would go on with the Maybelline's Fit Me Loose powder. So I'll set the concealer under my eyes. I'll set it under my eyes. Moving on with the brows, I am using this Etude House drawing pencil. So I'll first just simply brush through my eyebrows, and then I would start defining them. So can you see the difference what an eyebrow does? Like earlier मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती थी, and जब से I have started doing the brows, it makes a hell lot of difference. Similarly, I'll be doing the other side as well. Moving on with the eye look, I'll be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. So this is how it looks, and according to me, it's such a versatile palette. Like you can do daily looks with it, you can do like festive look जैसे मैं आज करने वाली हूँ. So I have basically taken this transition shade and I'll be applying it on my crease area and I'll be blending it. Now I'll be taking this maroon shade and I'll be applying this all over the lid. So I'll just apply this. I'll gently cover the entire lid with this shade. Now I'll be taking this lighter shade to blend the entire thing so that it looks very seamless and no harsh lines are seen. Next, I'll be taking this palette from SFR Beauty. I'll be taking this shimmer shade and applying it on the lid. So I'll apply it on the lid. It will give a subtle sort of a glow to the lid and glam up the look. As you can see, एक subtle सा glow आ गया. Next, I'll be taking this Superstay Maybelline Kajal and I'll just be putting it on my lower lash line. And then I'll be taking the same brown shade and just smudge it on my lower waterline. Similarly, I'll do it on the other eye as well. Putting the same kajal on the upper lid, like very close to the eyelashes. And then smudging it with a flat brush. So yeah, I'll be doing that. Give it a smoked out effect. Then I'll just move on with the cream blush and I'll be using Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint, which is in the shade 01 Brick Red. Like this is how the shade looks. I got this from, I suppose, Smitten, and that too like on 5 trial points, and since then I've been loving it. Like बहुत ही सही है. And I'll just warm up the product on my hands like this. I'll just put this on my cheeks. Like it gives so natural finish and I absolutely love it. So the contouring I'll be doing using this Swiss Beauty palette and I'll be using this shade. So yeah, I'll be doing that as well. I'll just put the product, blend it in the blush that I had put. I'll be using this peachy blush to set this like cream blush that I had used earlier. So I'll mix both of these shades and I'll just put it off on that blush. So I tend to put more of the powder blush than usual because वो जल्दी fade away हो जाता है. Now I'll just curl my lashes. So now I'll be using this Kiko's mascara. So it is basically a volumizing and curling mascara. So it's really good. Like this is how the wand looks like. So I'll be applying this. So I really like the amount of length and volume it provides. So this is how much the length and volume looks, and it's almost like equivalent to applying a falsies. So that's how this mascara works and I'm really liking this. So moving forward with the lip color, so I'll be first lining my lips. Then I'll be applying this Sugar's Smudge Me Not lipstick in the shade 03 Tan Fam. So as usual, I'll just like mute it down using Maybelline's Liquid Stay Matte Ink in the shade 70 Amazonian. So yeah, I'll just tone it down using this shade. I'll just be applying it on the centers of my lips. So I even applied a layer of this Lakme 925 Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Coffee Light. So yes, this is how the final lip shade turned out. Now I'll be just finally fixing my makeup using this Swiss Beauty's Natural Makeup Fixer. In general, I like this fixer, but just one thing that annoys me is the smell of this like strong alcohol that's on the face. So that's what I don't like about this fixer. Rest, it does a pretty decent and good job. So this is how the entire look turned out, and I'm absolutely freaking liking this look because it's so simple to create and it looks absolutely amazing. So hope you guys liked this look and it would be helpful to you for this coming wedding season. So yes, please do like this video and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that I feel motivated to make more of such content. So till then, stay home, stay safe, take care, and meet you next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye.